up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Hooked Up with Levi. Today we are here over at Ochre Lake about a week later after my last video, and the bass have been spawning. I've been sneaking up over here after work every day, and yeah, they've been spawning already. People have been catching them left and right, so I hope hopefully not too many people have caught the same one so that I can have some luck catching them, because they're probably smart by now and they know what not to go for. But anyway, you guys, yeah, thanks for watching, and let's see what we can do.
Like and subscribe at the end of the video.
Alright, you guys, found a bass on its bed right there. Give it a cast with the curly tail grub. Now it's sitting right on the bed. Wait for that bass to come back. Bass have been caught a lot, I know, this last week, so it's going to be hard catching them, but we can do this. Oh, he's right by it. Come on. I'm gonna recast that. Get another cast out there. Oh, just spooked him. I don't see a big female yet. Oh, there's 2 or 3 more bass right out there. Yeah, I knew they were going to be hard today to catch, because so many people have been catching them. Oh, he's interested. He's interested. Come on, you know you want it. Recast it out a little bit further. All right. There's like 4 or 5 bass just swimming out there. Oh, he's going over to it. Oh, here he comes. Come on, buddy. Come on. You know you want it. I'm right on the bed now, so here he comes. He's looking at it. Yep. They're all over swimming, huh? Alright. Just looking at it. Yep. Come on, buddy. I cast out a little bit further where he's at. Ooh, he was almost going for it. Dang it, every time he's going for it, all those other bass swim over to it. And he's trying to tell him to get away from my bed. Chasing him off over there. Alright guys, here he comes. Might have to switch bass. Go somewhere else. One last time, then I'm going to the next bass, you guys. No, here comes another bass. He's gonna get spooked by that other one. Yep, knew it. Look at them chase each other. Alright. Come on. Please. Come on. There we go. Stop moving it. All right, you guys, first bass. Got him. Got him. Oh, that's actually a fatty.
Wow, what kind of fish is that?
It's a largemouth bass.
Cool.
Sweet, you guys. Check it out. Got him on the curly tail. I didn't think he'd go for it a third time. There you go, guys. Beautiful bass. Get a picture and we'll let him go. All right, you guys. Gonna release him. Go back, buddy. There he goes. Right on. Yes, you guys. First bass today. All right, you guys. So we came over here to see if there's any beds over here. Changed to a little bit different spot. I'll probably go back over there again. Not to that same fish, but just to that same area. Just wanted to come over here and scope it out. All right, you guys, so there's a bass sitting right here on its nest, so I'm gonna just try to sneak up on this one. And this time I'm gonna use the skirted craw jig, see if that works. So go ahead and give it a cast out. Looking at it. Trying to get it on the bed. I'm gonna recast that. Alright. Just gonna slowly drag this craw. He sees it. Maybe I'll have to try that curly tail grub again. That never fails me here at Daybreak. Every time I move it, he just gets spooked. I bet he's been caught 1,000 times. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to try the white curly tail jig, or the curly tail grub. I think it's just something that not a lot of people use for bass. Mostly people use curly tail grubs for oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Twitch it a little bit. Oh, he went right up to it. But as I was saying, a lot of people use curly tail grubs usually for trout fishing, not bass fishing. So I don't think that's something that they see here a lot. If you throw a lot of the same stuff, they're not going to really go for it. There's too many people cast the same thing here at Daybreak. Drag it a little bit. Come on, buddy. I know he sees me. I'm trying to hold still as possible. As you guys know in the past videos, I'm not the best at bass fishing, so oh, he sees it. I just moved it and he turned around. He's facing right toward it. He sees another fish. Love how they're so defensive over their nest. They try to get the other bass out of their area. It's funny. Oh, okay, he sees it. Please. Oh, he keeps looking at it and then they turn away. Why do bass do that? They're so damn smart. Switch it around a little bit. Oh, here he comes. Oh, dang it. You guys, I missed the hook set again. That's the second time on the second fish. Crawled over again. Dang it. I suck at bass fishing. It's alright, that's why we're here, right, you guys? Here to learn. Just need to let him get it in his mouth more. Or else I suck at hook setting, or I got the wrong hook probably. I don't know. Like I said, I mostly fish for trout, but I told myself I was gonna get better at bass fishing. Come on. Oh, he sees it. He sees it. He's swimming all around far away from it, but he's looking at it. Yeah, I'm about to break out the curly tail grub, you guys. Oh, dang it. I missed the set. I missed the hook set. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to put this guy away and try the curly tail grub. Look at that, he bit off the craws. He bit off the two. I'm gonna have to buy a new trailer for this. That's funny. Alright, I'm gonna break out the curly tail grub, the white one. Alright, you guys, here goes the curly tail grub. Oh, he sees it, but he's swimming away from it. Get it right there on the nest. I'm gonna go ahead and duck down again. I don't know though, he might not go for anything now. I've already missed him twice. Alright, that's right where I want it, right there. That's where he went for it last time. Oh, he sees it. He sees me twitching it. Go for it, please, please, please. Oh, he wants it so bad. He's doing his circles. he'll go back to it. Twitch it a little bit. Here he comes. He's pointing down right at it. Come on, give it a little twitch. Go for it, dude. Go for it. Alright, you guys. Second bass. Alright. Oh, curly tail just popped out. Alright, you guys. Second bass. Yes. Oh, get another. I want to get another picture. I'm gonna get a picture with the GoPro. Oh, almost got away. Alright, you guys. Here's this bass. Second bass. Let him go. On the curly tail, I think I might just stick with the curly tail. Right on, you guys. 2 down today. Not bad. Alright, you guys, we're gonna move on to another one. See if we can get one. There's some bass out here. Oh, there's a couple of them out here. I'm not really good at throwing spinner baits or anything. Oh, there's a little frog right there. But yeah, I'm not good at bass fishing with other lures besides my curly tail, you guys. Oh, so I'm gonna have to find another bed. That's pretty much the only way I can bass fish. I'm really not good at top waters or any kind of lures like that, you guys. So just be patient with me. Hopefully we can find another one. Alright, you guys, I want you guys to see this giant bass. Biggest bass I've ever seen here. Right down there. Hopefully you guys can see it. She's big. She's the biggest bass ever. I decided to come up here to check it out and look at some of their beds that they're on. See if they're on any beds. I see tons of bass swimming along the edge of these weeds, these weed lines. There she is. There's that big behemoth right there. Look at her. She's huge. She's probably 6-7 pounds. Hopefully you guys can see her. She makes all these other bass look small. Alright, you guys, I just came over here by this rock and I heard a noise in the water and I seen like 4 turtles swimming. So there's like a family of turtles. Look at the big one right there. And look at the baby following its mama. They look like turtles that people just released in here. But they were all just chilling on top of these rocks. And as soon as they heard me and saw me, they jumped in the water and started swimming. See, there's 2 more out there. A little baby one and a big one. So it's probably mom and dad and then 2 babies. 2 siblings. Alright, you guys, there's a bass right here in these weeds. Oh, shoot. Come on. Get it over there. Oh, on his bed. Got it. Ah, oh, I just spooked him though. Twitch it a little bit. Make him come check it out. Come on. Hopefully this one's faster and doesn't take 10 hours to catch him like the last 2. Oh, look how cute that is. Little baby geese. I'm gonna stay away though. I don't want to get bit. You're all right. I'm not gonna do anything. It's awesome. Oh, there's a couple bass right there. They're swimming around. Oh, there's a big one. A big bass on it with a big bed. I'm gonna try right here, you guys. Throw out this curly tail. Ah, no. She's huge. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys, third bass. This one's a good size one. Yes, she's huge, you guys. Oh no, she came off right there. She came off. She's right there, right by that snake. Dang it, she's huge. Dang it, you guys, she was huge. That fish, that last fish. I'm gonna keep going for her though. She's going for it again. Are you kidding me? Right after I did that to her, she's going for it again. Here she goes. There you go. Get it. Get it, babies. Alright, you guys. Got her again. Got her again. Oh, she's a jumper. She's huge. I'm not letting her go this time. Oh, wow. Good size. Check this bass out. Just on that curly tail, you guys. Oh, that's a good bass right there, you guys. Look at that big old mouth. Take a picture and then we'll let her go. Alright, you guys, there she is. Beautiful bass. Let her go right here, back on her bed. Go ahead, baby. There you go. Right on. That's just on this curly tail grub, you guys. Alright, you guys. Let's see what's over here. Bunch of koi fish, giant koi fish. There was a big, huge bass over here that I filmed with my phone. These are huge koi. Man, see, this is what they do. They come and destroy the habitat of the bass and all the other fish in here. Wish we could get rid of all these stupid koi fish. Oh, I see a bed right there with the bass, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm gonna stay back so that they don't spook me because there's not a whole lot. It's a big, wide open area. So I'm just gonna cast my curly tail. Oh, I can see other bass over there going for it too. But I want to get this one. Oh, my line just hit her. Just spooked her. Or him. Oh, he's looking at it. He's looking at it. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. Twitch it a little bit more. Oh, he was going for it. Come on. Give it a little twitch for you. There you go. You like that? Oh, he's going for it. Oh, no, they're not. Come on. She's looking at it, or he's looking at it, whatever. I don't know if that's the male or the female. I can't see. We're pretty far away. Ooh, it's getting aggressive though, swimming erratically. He's looking at it. He's going for it, going for it. Come on, twitch it a little bit more. Oh, oh, I ripped it right out, you guys. Dang it. I tried to set the hook too hard. Look what it did to my curly tail. Dang it. Let's go for him again. Oh, now I gotta come this way, you guys. Cast it a little too much. Oh, she sees it. Come on, go for it. Come on. Ooh, she's swinging that tail. Oh, come on. Come on. There's a couple bass over there. I'm snagged. Ah, just got it unsnagged. Alright. Try again, try to get it over. There we go, that's a better cast. Oh, she went for it immediately, dang it. I missed her again. They like the curly tail grub. Just destroying it. I'm gonna have to rehook it. Push it through a different way. There we go. Alright, you guys. See if she goes for it again. Maybe not. That's twice that I've missed her. Just like the other two fish. Oh, she's going for it. Yep, yep. Oh, man. That's 3 times. Well, alright, let's give it another try. Oh, there's another bass fighting over there with her. Okay. Here she comes. She's coming back. She swiped at it. It's like the 4th time she swiped at it. She's pissed. She don't even want to eat. She's just pissed that it's over there. I'm gonna recast it. It's a pissed off bass. See if she goes for it. Nope, she got spooked. Now she's going for it. Oh. Come on. They like this white curly tail grub today. Tell you what. Get it on the nest. There you go. That's what pisses them off. So watch this. She's getting pissed off. Ah, I got a snag. Dang it. Come on. Here she comes. Swipe at it, I dare you. Come on. She's looking at it. Oh, that's like 5 times. She keeps messing my curly tail up. I might need to even get a new curly tail. No, it's still working. Alright, one more time, you guys. Come on. All right, you guys, 4th bass today. Yes. Oh, it's just a little small one. This one's probably a male. But right on that curly tail grub, just a small little guy. That curly tail grub. Right on. All right, buddy, let you go back. There he goes. All right, nice. 4 fish. And the white curly tail grub is not failing me today. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, you guys. Today's winner is the white curly tail grub. Caught me all those bass today. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna head out, go home, get some food, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.